Never skip your moisturizer. If your face is not well moisturized, there will be a lot of oil. There'll be a lot of oil because there'll be nothing. If there's no moisture on the skin will tend to produce more oil. Hi lovies, how you all doing? You're welcome back. So in today's videos, we'll be talking about how to prep an oily skin before your makeup. How to prep an oily skin, get an oily skin ready for your makeup. You guys know that we have types of skin. We have oily, we have combination, and then we have dry skin. But in today's video, we'll be talking about how to get an oily skin ready for makeup so that when you're done, your makeup will not shift, you will not see much oil, and of course the makeup is going to last all day. So stay with me, watch this video to the last second, because that is exactly what I'm going to be dealing with in this video. So let's just dive into the video. To prep the skin, you need two equipment to get this done. The first one is your fan that you'll be using to dry every process. Then the second one is the flat brush that you want to use. A flat brush can be bigger than this, can be that normal regular skin prep brush. You can also use your hands if you're working on yourself. I prefer to use my hands anytime I'm working on myself. Then if I'm working on clients, I use my brush. The first thing you do when you want to prep your skin is to make sure that the canvas is clean. You wouldn't want to start on a dirty canvas. No, you need to cleanse your face, make it very, very clean. And I do that using this cotton pad and micellar water. This is the one I've been using. This is Ghanaian micellar water. I just got this. It's still very much full. I've not actually used it. So in this video, I just hope that it works well. So in this video, we'll still be going in with this. I still have a little of it, so I have to finish it before I jump on this guy. To start cleaning your skin, you just have to take one of that cotton pad and then dip it your put your micellar water on it. Use it to clean the face. Even if you're just coming out of shower, you still need to clean your face. Even though I'm just coming out of the shower, you can see that we still have a little something here, so you need to make sure that that face is clean. Now that I'm done, I am going to hydrate my face using rose water. This is the one I use, and there are other ones I also use. I normally put this in a small bottle so I can easily spray it, but I don't know where the bottle is right now, so I'm just going to use my cotton pad and take it. Just take it and then dab it onto my skin. You can do this with your hand without the cotton pad. Or rose water also have its own benefits to the skin, so I'll just go ahead and dry again. The rose water has dried in. We'll now move to the next step, which is your serum. Remember, we're talking about oily skin here, and if you're using a serum on oily skin, you should try and use a serum that has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide have a way of regulating the production of sebum on the body. Yes, that's what it calls, should be sebum. So niacinamide have the ability to reduce how much oil your skin produces. So if you're doing a skin prep on an oily skin, if you're prepping an oily skin, you should use a serum that has niacinamide in it. It is advisable. It is advisable. Not really everybody needs that. You can still go with your vitamin C, but if it's an oily skin, I think what you need at that moment is a serum that has niacinamide in it. And that is why in this video, I'm going to be using this serum from a balance. I hope you guys can see it. It's a niacinamide 15%. To put this serum, you guys already know, just have to open it and then take a few drops, and then don't let this touch your skin or the skin of your clients. Don't let the tip of this thing touch it. So it should just be like this. Oh, that dropped when I didn't want it to drop. Just few drops here and there, and you're good to go. Use your brush or your hand if you're working on yourself, just like I am doing, to rub that in. After applying that everywhere, you go ahead and also dry it up using your fan. Now with that done, you can see that our skin is beginning to glow already. It's getting ready to take in that makeup. I hope you're taking notes of the steps. So now we're going to go in with moisturizer. This is where people also make mistake. They feel because the skin produces oil that you don't need to moisturize it. No, oil and moisture are two different things, and of course your makeup needs a lot of moisturizer, a lot of it, if you want that makeup to be okay. It needs it. So we're going to go into moisturizer, and this is what I normally use. This is what I normally use from MS Cosmetics. It's lightweight. This moisturizer is lightweight. I love using it. So like I said, you have to be generous with your moisturizer. So we're going to go, and I'm still using my hand to put that on my face. This is actually lightweight, and if you're doing your moisturizer, concentrate more here. Your under eye needs it more. Jesus, I put this on my eyes up. Your under eyes needs it more. Every other place needs it, oh, but your under eyes need like 2 layers of it. Then you rub it in. You rub this in. You rub it in. You see how much moisturizer I have on this face? That is, you need a lot of moisturizers to prep your skin. Now we are done putting that, we just go ahead and dry it in. It is very, very necessary that you dry in every process. Don't put any product on top another one without drying it in. No, it is a no, no, no. You're messing up the whole process. After each process, make sure you dry it in before you move on to the next level. That's why you need it, so that it will be faster for you, okay? Because if you don't have this, you might as in rush it, because you can continue to fan, you might rush it. So that's why you need this. Now that our moisturizer has dried, can you spot the glow? You see how we're glowing? So you need to glow like this for your makeup to last. You need moisturizer as an oily skin babe. You need it. You need it very, very well. So let's move to the next process, which is your primer. For your primer as an oily skin babe, you have no business with hydrating primer. Primers like this that has oil, I think it has oil, hydrating face primer, you have no business with stuffs like this. So as an oily skin babe, what you need is a hydro grip primer, and of course a mattifying primer to hold down oil on your T-zones. Hydro grip primer is the one you put everywhere on your face. You put your hydro grip primer everywhere on your face. Primers like this. This is from MS Cosmetics. It is aqua grip. You put them on your face, everywhere on the face, just like this. See that? Just take and then you blend that into the skin. And please, even if you're using hydro grip that is not mattifying, anything primer doesn't have any business with your under eye. Please, as long as the name primer is there, it doesn't have anything with your under eye. Okay, so this is how you do it. You rub that all over the face, everywhere on your face, avoiding the under eye. Hydro grip primer helps to keep your makeup in place. It helps to hold your makeup. As you can see, it grips. It's a kind of grips your makeup, makes it stay all day yet, so it's a must have in your skin prep, in your makeup. Aqua Grip, Hydro Grip primers, they have ones from Milk, from Elf. A lot of brands have, but this is the one I normally use, so you need it. Okay. And then that we are done with that primer, the one we put on our face, it is time for a mattifying primer that you put here, your T-zones, the place that your face produces much oil. And this is what I normally use. It works so well for me. This is what I normally use. You can use other mattifying primers, but this is what I normally use. It's a Touch Up Anti-Shine from Meron, Abby? Yeah, Meron. It works so well. I love this. Mine is almost out. I hope I'll still be able to find it again, because the last time I went to look for it, I didn't see it. Maybe I'm going to switch, but for now, this is still what I use. I love it. I use it as my mattifying primer. So I will just take that, put it on my T-zones. You will see how, put it on my T-zone, blend it. I don't put it everywhere. So that's here at the center of my face. Can you spot the difference between my hair and every other part of my face? Every other part is glowing, is glowy, apart from the center of the face, because this is where I put the mattifying primer. The mattifying primer, the anti-shine. These are the places I added. And the last thing you need to do is to prep your lips. A lot of people forget these things, and this is why your lip doesn't come out fine. And of course, I have a video on how to get a proper lip after your makeup. You should do, what you should not do if you want to have a lips that will not be breaking after your makeup. I have a detailed video on that, and I'm going to leave the link here for you, my babies. Please make sure to check out that link so that you can be getting these things well. So to prep my lips, I'll just be using this from Vaseline. You guys can see it, right? From Vaseline, that I'm using, and just apply, apply. And that's just it. That's why this thing doesn't finish. You just need little of it. Little goes a long way. I've had this my own for long. Little goes a long way. And of course, your face is ready to take in your makeup. If you're an oily skin babe, when you come across an oily skin client, follow these procedures I've given you in this video. And when you're done with that makeup, that client is going to call you later and be like, this makeup is not going anywhere. I don't want to clean it. I don't want to do this. As in, they'll be wondering, is it me that have oily skin that my makeup stayed this long? And don't forget, never skip your moisturizer. If your face is not well moisturized, there will be a lot of oil. There'll be a lot of oil, because there'll be nothing. If there's no moisture on the skin will tend to produce more oil. So my lovelies, with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you learned 3 or 4 from this video. Yes, I know you did. So don't forget what we said. First of all, you make sure that your canvas is so clean. Clean it. Hydrate the face using either a hydrating spray or rose water. Then you go in with your serum, right? You go in with your serum. After your serum, you go in with your moisturizer. Your moisturizer. Don't skip that. If your skin doesn't have enough moisture on it, it tends to produce more oil when there is not enough moisture on your skin. Stop saying because somebody have oily skin, they sweat a lot, you will not use moisturizer. No, that is when that makeup is going to spoil, because there will be no moisture and a lot of oil is going to come out. And of course, I said if you're using a serum, use a serum that have a niacinamide in it, because it works better on oily skin. And of course, for your primer, you need no hydrating primer. Go with your aqua grip and a mattifying primer. And of course, I showed you how to apply that. And then your lips. And that's all you need as an oily skin babe before you start doing your makeup. So if you watch this video up to this second, thank you so much. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, turn on the notification bell after subscribing to my channel so that when I post my next video, you're going to be the first person to get notified. See you in my next video, my bears. I love you guys. Bye.